Today I'm going to talk a little bit about deviation in tile size. This can happen with a pressed tile or a cut tile or rectified tile. We see deviations in tiles all the time in size, and it can be pretty frustrating if you're not aware of this while you're setting the tile. In this particular instance, we're going to take a look at these two tiles that we just set a backsplash with the other day. When I put these horizontally and side by side, you will notice that there is a small deviation here. This adds up over time, and if you're not correcting it with spacers, that deviation can grow and you will see it. It's very evident in grout lines. In setting these tiles, we actually used 3 different size spacers. One was a 1/16 of an inch, the other was an 1/8 of an inch, and then there was a spacer in between that was 3/32. And as we were setting these tiles, we were constantly looking at using those spacers to even out the tile lines, the grout lines, as we went along. And when we're talking about 32nd or a 1/16 of an inch difference in grout lines, that's not very big when you continually correct for that with each row of tile that you set. You'll also notice with these tiles that there is a deviation in the thickness of the tile. And you can see right here that as they honed these tiles down, they didn't this is actually thinner than this portion of the tile where it goes up. So when setting tiles, you need to be aware of this because this can create lippage. If this tile is thinner than this tile, it might set up a little bit higher if you're using the same amount of thin set, and you would get a little bit of lippage between the tiles. In order to correct for this, you just add more thin set in places and make sure that the tiles are sitting flat up against the surface. But you can see this deviation in this tile even in this. This is not the best manufactured tile. We ran into both length and width deviations on these tiles, but also thickness deviations, this is very obvious with this tile. And when you look at the overall installation, you'll notice that once it's been grouted, that deviation is not too large. But if you're not correcting this over the span of the lay, that deviation can grow and can be disastrous.
If you found this video helpful, let us know by clicking like and consider subscribing to our channel. Feel free to message us in the comments section with any constructive questions or suggestions.